Those of us in the utilities industry know the voracious need for reliable, consistent access to power, to maintain, to optimize, to improve production. Our industry is rapidly moving to integrate more large-scale renewable systems like wind energy and solar. We all know the problems associated with providing public power. When these instabilities occur on a dramatic scale, the problems can be massive, both logistic and financial. The technology and market needs are changing, the problems compounding. The need for a trusted, global expert in power regulation has never been greater. Supply. Demand. These two words go together seemingly by design. In our industry, these small yet mighty words apply to virtually every facet of our business, perhaps nowhere greater than sustaining critical demand for power itself. Customer demand for power increases. The need to supply that power increases, which in turn creates even higher power demands. The need for a trusted global expert in power regulation has never been greater. ABB is the solution. Power quality interruption, the utilities industry. Unacceptable voltage amplitude variations? A voltage depression? A total devastating voltage collapse? Those of us in the utility industry know these reactive power balances in a grid, the considerable transmitted load variables, the generating and absorbing of reactive power can cause troublesome instability and sometimes on a massive scale. Not to mention erratic voltage profiles under the constantly shifting network conditions and consumption variables when providing public power. The ABB STATCOM provides this critical power quality improvement versatility, instant and continuous variable reactive power, instant and continuous response to grid voltage transients, boldly enhancing the grid voltage stability. The STATCOM operates according to voltage source principles, which together with unique PWM switching of IGBTs gives it unequaled performance in terms of effective rating and response speed. This performance can be dedicated to active harmonic filtering and voltage flicker mitigation, but it also allows for a STATCOM to be comparatively downsized. Its environmental footprint can be extremely small. ABB has branded this high-performance STATCOM concept SVC Lite. Installing a STATCOM at one or more points in your network will increase the grid transfer capability through enhanced voltage stability, while maintaining a smooth voltage profile under different network conditions. The STATCOM provides the critical versatility in terms of power quality improvement capabilities, so you can confidently satisfy a public demand that is only on the increase. Since 1950, ABB has developed the original technologies in the power quality industry, and 6+ decades later, along with 600 improvements and breakthroughs since, ABB is unrivaled as the choice in strategic partners. With ABB, you have a perpetual partner that supports you, all the while developing the new technologies needed to meet the challenges of the future. Your challenges. This is ABB.